This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 18 of the Ork Gunwagon tutorial. We're going to start by isolating this piece right here, so let me do that. Okay, and then on this side right here, you're going to want to create I guess a cylinder is fine, and create it right about here. Alright, give it 30 sides, move it down, and just kind of line it with this and this. Looks pretty good. Okay, actually, yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, convert to an editable polygon, select that side, and then hit ignore back facing and select that side. Inset it about 1.5, and then hit bridge, which will basically get a cutout. Okay. Next, select edge, hit all those edges, hit ring, select the polygons, and hit those edges. Actually, no. Select that edge, hit loop. Chamfer it. Okay. Next, select this polygon. Don't know if I did the right amount of segments here, but it's an Ork vehicle anyway, so it shouldn't really matter. But yeah, there we go. So choose one polygon, then go 2 spaces over and choose the next one. Hit extrude. Make sure you're on the local normal. Just extrude them out a bit. Okay. Select all the edges. Chamfer. Give them a small chamfer. Okay. Looks good. Next, you're going to want to create a cylinder. Make sure you're using auto grid and create it here. Make it about that big, so radius of 0.85 and a height of about 0.3. Also make sure you sink it in so it covers both that. Give it 7 sides. Convert it to an editable polygon. Select the edges. Give it a chamfer. Okay, polygon inset. Alright, extrude it by about 0.27. Select the edges and chamfer. Okay. And then doing this by hand, just copy it around the circle, placing it on those little tabs that we made. Oops. Alright. Looks pretty good. Next, you're on an X isolation mode. And then make a box here, not too make sure that it's not too big this way. Convert to an editable polygon, edges, chamfer, Give it a small chamfer like usual. Select the edges and just drag them over there, and select these, drag them right in there. Not quite sure what that is, but make a second one. Go into the vertex mode, drag these over there, and what else can we do? Cylinder, right in this little nook right here, create some little cylinders. Actually make them big cylinders at first, then just lower the radius down to about 0.08, give them 7 sides, and just drag them over and make a lot of copies. And if they're kind of going off like that, just drag them back. Actually, let's not make a lot of copies. Redo that, but just make a few copies. There we go. Next, let's build this little box thing right here. So create a box, convert to editable polygons like that, edge, polygon, and select the edges, chamfer. Okay, make a little chamfer. Polygon, select that, inset it. Okay, bevel it a bit, not that much. There we go. Extrude it out a bit, about 0.5. Select the edges, chamfer again. Okay, and select this piece. Polygons like that, inset, not too much, and scale it down, and move it down, bevel it out a bit, and extrude it. Actually, that inward looked pretty good, so extrude inward. Next, you're going to want to create a line using AutoGrid. Just start there and end there. Okay, convert to an editable spline, go into the vertex mode, drag it up, and looks good. Next you're going to want to refine, put 2 points in it. Make sure that each of those points is a Bezier. I'll do that now because I can't do it in recording. Okay, and then just drag them up. And also make sure you do rendering, enable and viewport, enable and renderer, and bring the thickness down to about wire thickness. And go into the line and just copy it twice. Okay, vertex, select top vertex and bring it down. If you can do that. I'll make this one a Bezier too. Okay, then bring that down. Alright. Select this line, vertex. Okay. Bring it down a bit. Select that edge, bring that one down. And also you're going to want to bring that one in, select this one, that'll be it for this tutorial. I'll see you in part 19.